little boy missed down the monster. And it said, hello, monster. I like being friends. And it looked happy. And monster looked happy. And grumpy and mad. And then they look happy. They're happy. So I should go and be in my house. And just get scary house. I said, whoa, the lion. And they say, hello, boy. And it says, Bill, mommy, and help her. Roar, said, and Bill, daddy, and help him roar. I said, hello, squirrel, little baby. And they said, roar, and the big boy. And they said, roar, and he said, all the war. And then the four dust. And then the four dust and the gate. Statue and the end.